What's up, Kosi Nation? Welcome back to another video. Let's not waste time. Let's get to it. Apparently, Kaizer Chiefs have signed this new guy, man, Ethan Chislett. Didn't know anything about him, but now I guess I know everything about him. I went and did my research, checked him out. I guess he's a good player. They say Chiefs signed him on a 2-year deal. Yeah, man. I think he's a good player, man. Good goal-scoring midfielder. He's going to be competing for that number 10 position, man. Sereno, Mdu, you better watch out. This guy is scoring, as you see, man. Good free kick taker. This past season, he's turned out for Port Vale FC in the English League 2. And now, man, he says he doesn't want to be in England anymore. He wants to come back to South Africa. Apparently, he was born in Durban, left when he was young, around 4, and then he was at the Southampton Academy, and he grew, man. He's been around. He's been to Spain, played in Spain for a season, also played for Wimbledon. So yeah, man. Yeah, good turnout, man. I hope this is true, man. This would be a good signing for Chiefs, man. Somebody different, somebody fresh in the league, man. They say this season he scored 4 goals and 3 assists for Port Vale, man. Yeah, I think he's a good signing. At Wimbledon, they love him. They love him so much, man. I think they say he scored a lot of goals for them. So yeah, we'll see, man. Hoping to do what he did there, man. Yeah. Kosi Nation, before we move any further, I'd like to thank everyone for subscribing. If people have been subscribing, watching the videos, thank you very much. Much appreciated, man. Let's keep on doing it. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Please, it helps with the algorithm if you hit the like button, if you like any part of the video. Yeah, man, let's continue. You remember Kaizer Chiefs won the DDC, the Diski Challenge. So winning the Diski Challenge means one thing. It means that you have the best youngsters around. It means your youngsters, your club's youngsters are the ones that are better than all the other teams. And especially how they did it, Kaizer Chiefs. So it's only right that some of those guys get promoted, man. Plus they're getting older. They need to get promoted, come to the first team. So yeah, man, apparently some of these guys have been promoted to the first team. They'll also be going to the Netherlands for the preseason tour, man. There, Kosnati Mbutu, seen him before. Thulani Mabaso, he's been around, man. Been around the Chiefs since he was a child, man. Since he was 14. So yeah, man, he's grown up now. Mangoba, we've spoken a lot about Mangoba. Uzuemena, you know, I love that guy. I'm happy to hear that he's now in the first team. Naledi Hlongwane, we've also heard a lot about Naledi. You know, Naledi is a good player, shine every time he got a chance. And we also have Kabelo Nkeswa. He's also very good. So yeah, I'm happy, Chief, that is promoting some of these guys, man. I was saying the other day that the talent mustn't go to waste, man. So if they're promoting 5, that's good news, man. Brilliant news for Kaizer Chiefs, man. After they announced that they released Tutuzi Mtanzani, Mdu didn't carry the Chiefs. They sent him out to Richards Bay, also didn't carry it. For us in the 2023-24 season, when he started, he played 13 matches for us, man. Not bad. But they shipped him out to Richards Bay and he only got 3 matches out of the whole season. So it wasn't a good turnout, man. So I don't know what's going to happen to the guy, man. Oh well. Good luck, man. We'll see, man. I think he's a good player. So he can still make it anyway. Yeah, man. Let's move forward. Reeve Frosler. You remember I said that his contract was going to expire on the 30th of June. And no word was spoken. But I did say they like Frosler Chiefs. Mr. Highway Frosler. Yeah, apparently Frosler got a new deal, man. The new contract is going to keep him at Chiefs until 2028 June. So I guess that's a 3-year deal, man, for Reeve Frosler. That guy can play left and right, but they stick him there on the right. I think all the times we had problems on the left, we should have stuck him on there. I don't know, that's just my opinion. It's just my opinion, man. And man, I want to speak about a guy that I've never spoken about this guy ever before. I know he's a good player. Rowan Human. Very good player, man. You know, he plays for Amazulu. You remember how he started? He started at Wits. You know, the 24-year-old, he started at Wits and then he moved to Israel. And he played for some of the biggest teams in Israel because he played for Maccabi Tel Aviv and he also played for Beitar Tel Aviv. So, yeah, man. And now he's back. He's been turning out for Amazulu. Had a good season. I played 26 games this past season and he had 3 goals and 5 assists. I think that's a good record, man. That's South African standards, man. So I hear Chiefs want to bring him on board. That would be a good signing. I wouldn't say no to Rowan Human. I wouldn't say no to him coming to Chiefs. I think it's a very, very good signing. I would welcome him with open arms at Chiefs, man. And I saw this other story. I was reading about Paseka Marco. His agent was speaking out about what happened, how and why he left Orlando Pirates. Apparently, Orlando Pirates, he's been there for a long, long time, you know. So Dr. Ivan Koza was willing to offer him a contract, you know, to play some more, but he says he wants game time, so they were not guaranteeing him game time, so he decided to leave. So my question is he guaranteed game time at Chiefs? Is he? I don't know, man, we'll see. But what surprised me is that his agent didn't say anything about him signing for Chiefs. And that's the guy that's going to sign, right? He should have said, nah, but we're okay now. He didn't say anything unless, you know, there's that NDA, non-disclosure agreement before the 30th or the 1st of July. We'll see, man. We'll see. But he didn't say anything. Cozy Nation, tell me what you think about all the news that I just brought for you. Tell me what you think, what you like, what you don't like. Let's talk there in the comment section. Yeah, man, it was a good one. I'm happy to deliver this news, man. You know, usually I deliver said news that we're not gonna get this guy, but today I think this is good news. It's all, we got this guy, these guys have been promoted. Yeah, man, good news all around except for the Tanzania story. But Cozy Nation, we love this team. I love you guys. Love and peace and out.